XRP could make millionaires overnight, and I've done the moon math on how you may be able to secure your millions by stacking XRP. And watch until the end of the video for my most bullish scenario for becoming mega rich with Ripple. CandleMafia, this is gonna be a saucy one, so grab your bowls and an extra large spoon. What's going on, everybody? My name is Frankie Candles, and if you're new here, I go live every single weekday at 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to teach the Candle Mafia how to become a profitable trader and make money whether the price of crypto is going up or down. So how do you become an XRP millionaire at the top of the next bull run? I'm gonna give you the answer right now in the first minute of this video. The price of XRP has been suppressed since 2018, and for the sake of this video, let's assume all goes well with the SEC lawsuit and Ripple comes out on top. So in this case, we're assuming it's ready to rip, and in my opinion, a $5 XRP could just be scratching the surface of how high this coin can go. But even at that price, you would still need to stack about 200,000 XRP tokens to make those millionaire dreams come true, which is not a small amount of money. But let's not stop there. To find out how high XRP could go, we have to look back at history and see where XRP came from and where the market cap is going from here. Ryan Fugger, that's 2 G's YouTube, came up with the idea for XRP in 2004, and the purpose was to create a decentralized monetary system. In 2011, David Schwartz, Jed McCaleb, and Arthur Brito started developing the XRP ledger, which was called Newcoin at the time. Then it was later changed to OpenCoin, and then later to Ripple. On December 22nd of 2020, the SEC charged Ripple with illegally offering $1.3 billion in unregistered securities. At that time, XRP was trading at about 60 cents, and the lawsuit absolutely decimated the price all the way down to about 20 cents in a week. Despite the brief rally in 2021, the price was suppressed for years after the lawsuit, especially when you compare the XRP chart against the performance of Bitcoin. But Ripple put in the work and is still fighting against the SEC, and here we are today, fingers crossed, looking at becoming millionaires from buying and holding XRP, and man, does that feel good. Now, to lock in that $1 million from buying XRP, we have to consider its supply. There are 100 billion pre-mined XRP tokens. When XRP was initially distributed, 20 billion was given to the co-founders and core team. A lot of those were sold aggressively, especially by Jed McCaleb, who sold 9 billion in XRP tokens out of his taco stand wallet from 2013 to July of 2022. But that's behind us now, and that taco stand is officially closed for business. Ripple locked 55 billion XRP tokens in escrow, which are now being unlocked monthly at a rate of about 500 million new tokens for 55 months, and that started in June of 2023, just last month. Now, the rest of the tokens make up the XRP circulating supply, and the point of the unlocks is to maintain that stability in the supply of XRP tokens for practical uses in payments. If you like these millionaire moon math videos that we've been doing recently, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our urgent market updates, because I love keeping the Candle Mafia updated day to day on this crazy price action. Now, let's assume that this lawsuit drags out a bit further and you have some time to accumulate at these current prices. At the time of recording this video, XRP is trading at around 47 cents. So let's assume it remains stable around this level and your average buy-in price is about 50 cents. Now, factoring in the increased supply of tokens, I'm using a 58.3 billion XRP supply for this millionaire moon math. Let's be really conservative to start. This is crypto after all. You never know what's gonna happen next. A $2 XRP would require about 500,000 XRP to become a millionaire, with a market cap of about $116.6 billion. And at our assumed average buy-in price of 50 cents, you're looking at a $250,000 investment. And like I mentioned earlier, a $5 XRP would require 200,000 XRP tokens to make millionaires of its holders at a $291 billion market cap with an investment of around $100,000. Still a pretty big bag of XRP. Considering XRP is the most popular cryptocurrency in England and is working within the parameters of the EU's MiCA regulation, as well as in Asia, it's not far-fetched to believe in a $10 XRP token with a market cap of $583 billion. This would require 100,000 XRP tokens to become a millionaire at that price, requiring only a $50,000 investment at a 50-cent price. Now, I know a lot of people like to do some crazy moon math, and when you look at a $20 XRP, yeah, that's kind of an insane market cap at about $1.2 trillion, but that would only require 50,000 XRP to make millionaire dreams a reality, with only a $25,000 investment, which is a lot of money to many people, but imagine if those gains actually worked out. Not a bad deal. I do want to say that a $20 XRP is probably at the very highest highest of my predictions, but I do think it is the less likely case. I think keeping your eye on a $5 to $10 XRP is a much more realistic target to have going into the next bull run. And remember, you don't want to be that last bull standing hoping for higher prices and not paying yourself when you're in the green. Now think about this. What if Ripple added a burn mechanism to XRP? They could theoretically get rid of a lot of escrow supply, and in April of 2021, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse talked about this exact thing. He said that Ripple is always open to new ideas, and he wants to do what's best for the XRP ecosystem. When Garlinghouse was asked point blank if Ripple would ever burn tokens that are in escrow, he said, "I don't rule anything out." I kind of like that, Garlinghouse. If Ripple changes anything, it's going to be for the benefit of the ecosystem, according to what makes sense in the market at that time. Imagine if Ripple was able to burn XRP tokens to decrease the supply. This would change everything in our moon map and would make Millionaire XRP holders even more conceivable than it was before. And we haven't even considered staking. XRP's ledger could come out with a staking service that would make it increasingly valuable to hold and make passive income off the XRP token. At the end of the day, it's the network's nodes, validators, and community that has the final say over what happens with XRP, and that's why things are so bullish for the outlook of the token. Add in staking and some burning mechanisms, and becoming a high-flying XRP holder becomes more doable than ever. So with all that being said, guys, I think that's all the time I got for this video. Let me know in the comments down below, do you think XRP could hit between $5 and $10? Do you think it's going to 10,000? I don't. Also, tell me which coins you want me to do some Millionaire Moon math on next, and hopefully we can get it out there for you guys soon. I'll see you guys in the next one. Frankie Candles out.
Here we go, yeah. At the top of the class on a roll, hey. And it's time to run it up, yeah, you know.